Good afternoon, class. And today we're going to be introducing function words. Okay? And what is a function word? An example of a function word would be on. Alright, so we're going to go through and we're going to start to learn this. So, what am I holding, class? What is this? You're right, it is a book. Now, I'm going to put this on top of the desk. Okay, is this on the desk? Yes, you're right, this is on the desk. Now, I'm going to put it on the floor. Is this book on the desk? No, it is not on the desk. I'm going to hold this under the table. Is this book on the desk? No, it is not. Now, I'm going to set this down here on the desk. Is this book on the desk? Yes, the book is on the desk. Very good. So, again, I'm going to put this on the desk. Is this on the desk? Yes. Now, let's say the whole sentence with me. The book is on the desk. Now, repeat that. The whole sentence by yourselves, guys. That's right. The book is on the desk. Now, what is this? You're right. That is a chair. And what is this? Yes, that is a crayon. Now, I'm going to put the crayon here on the chair. Is the is the crayon on the chair? Yes, yes it is. You're correct. Now, I'm going to put the pencil on the floor. Is the pencil on the chair? No, the pencil is not on the chair. I'm going to hold the pencil above the chair. Is the pencil on the chair, guys? No, the pencil is not on the chair. Now, I'm going to put the pencil on the seat of the chair. Is the pencil on the chair? Yes. Now, say the whole sentence with me. The pencil is on the chair. Now, I want you guys to repeat that. Very good. The pencil is on the chair. Good job, guys. Super proud of you. You guys are doing really good today. Now we're going to work on under. We were working on, but now we're going to work on under. Okay. Again, what is this, guys? Yes, it is a book. Okay. And what is this? Where are you guys sitting at? Yes, that's the desk. Now, I'm going to take the textbook here. I'm going to put it on the floor. Okay. Now, is the book on the floor under the desk? Yes, it is on the floor under the desk. Very good. Now, I'm going to put this on the desk. The book is on the desk. Now, I'm going to put this book on top of the desk. Is the book under the desk? No, it is not. Now, I'm going to put this under the desk. Is the book under the desk? Yes. Yes, the book is under the desk. Now, I want you to say the sentence with me. The book is under the desk. Now, repeat the whole sentence by yourselves, guys, so I can hear you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. You guys are doing awesome today. Proud of you. Now, I'm going to put the crayon on top of the chair. Is the crayon under the chair? No, no it is not. Now I'm going to take the crayon and put it under the chair. Is the crayon under the chair? Yes, yes it is under the chair. Now again, let's say the sentence with me. The crayon is under the chair. Very good. Now let's repeat the whole sentence. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. You guys are doing awesome today. I love the focus and you guys are really listening. Okay. Now, I'm going to set this up here. I'm going to put the book on top of the desk. Is the book on the desk? Yes, it is on the desk. Very good. Now, I want you to say the whole sentence with me. Okay, ready? The book is on the desk. Very good. Now, I'm going to take the book. I'm going to stick it under here, under the desk. Is the book on the desk? No. No, it is not. Where is the book then? The book is under the desk. Very good, guys. You guys are doing really good with this. Now, I'm going to put the book under the desk. All right, class. Where is the book? The book is under the desk. Very good, guys. You guys are doing really good with this. Now, I want you to say the whole sentence. Ready? The book is under the desk. Very good. Now, we've got our crayon again. And I'm going to put it on the seat of the chair. Is the pencil on the chair? Yes, you're correct. The pencil is on the chair. Now, let's say the whole sentence together, guys. Ready? The pencil is on the chair. Very good. Now, I'm going to take my crayon and put it under the desk, or under the chair, excuse me. Where is the crayon? Yes, the crayon is under the chair. Very good, guys. All right, now, let's say it together. The whole thing. The crayon is under the chair. Very good. You guys are doing awesome today. Really good focus. Now, I've got my crayon again. I'm putting it under here. Where's the crayon now? It is under the chair again. Very good. Let's say that whole sentence together, guys. The crayon is under the chair. Very good. Now, I want you guys to look at this picture of the flies and of the table. You guys see that? You guys see all the flies on the chair? Or excuse me, around the table? Now, I want you guys to tell me, what is this? That's right, this is a fly. And what is that? You're correct, that is a table. You guys are doing good. Now, one of the flies is on the table. You see him on there? He's on the table. Okay. Now, I want you to tell me, guys, where's this fly at? You're right, he is under the table. And what about that fly? He is on the table. Very good. Now, let's say it together now. Let's say for this one. What is that fly doing? He's on the table. Let's say that again, guys. The fly is on the table. Very good. Proud of you guys today. All right. Now, what about this fly? He's under the table. Very good. Let's say that sentence together, guys. The fly is under the table. Very good. All right. You guys did an awesome job today, and I'm super proud of you for staying focused and being good listeners and giving me all your eyes today, okay? I'm excited for us starting this new lesson, and I look forward for us working more.